Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This time, I will present material about social media to fulfill the final English semester assignment with the lecture in Cheng's Novela Ningrum Ejuista MPD. Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well. This time, I will discuss about social media to you. Before that, I will introduce myself. Let me introduce, my name is Atika Suryani. I'm currently studying at the Muhammadiyah University of Riau in the first semester majoring in management. Before, I want to ask, what is the definition of social media for all of you? Here, I will discuss a little about the definition social media. The birth and development of technology information brings a change in society. With technology information, the behavior of people experiencing change. The change took place both in the patterns of thought, patterns of feelings, and patterns as human. Change of shift also occurred in several aspects human life, for example, cultural aspect, certain ethnic and norms. One type of information technology who have progressed successfully rapid in social media. Social media is a set of communication tools and possible new collaboration. Different types of interaction occur previously unable to the common people. The development of information technology brings a change in society. The birth of social media makes people's behavior patterns experience a shift in culture, ethnic, and exciting norms. Indonesia, with a large population with various ethnic, racial, and religious cultures, has a lot of potential of social change. From various backgrounds and age, almost all Indonesian people own and use social media as a means of obtaining and governing information to the public. Social media is one of the instant media that is currently in that has various functions in its role. In addition to serving as a tool for communication, the mass media is also a means for its user in dig up a lot of information. Media social responsibility has a role and impact on people's life designed in such a way that social media remains the function and purpose of the media social. Media social life itself and has benefit in the life of every individual. As stated by Henry, that the meaning of social media is a web-based social networking site which makes it possible for everyone individual to build a public or semi-public profile in the system unrestricted. A list of other users with whom they are connected and view and explore their list of connection others have made with a system. New web technologies make it easier for everyone to create and most importantly disseminate their own content. Post in blog, tweets, Instagram, Facebook, or videos on YouTube that can be reproduced and seen by millions of people for free. Advertising do not have to pay a lot of money to publisher or distributor to place their ads. Now, advertisers can create their own interesting and engaging content seen by many people. The functions of social media include: social media support the democratization of knowledge and information. transforming humans from message contents users to creator message itself. Social media is media designed to expand human social interaction using the internet and web technology. And the last, social media has succeeded in transforming one-way communication practice, broadcast media from one media institution to many audience in the practice of dialogue communication between many audience. Social media has characteristics that cannot be separated from various characteristics of social media that is widely used today. Among others, participation, openness, conversation, and connectedness. Characteristic of social media. The characteristics of social media are not far off different from cyber media because social media is one platform of cyber media. However, according to Nasrullah, social media has special character. Social media has special character, namely network. Network is an infrastructure connecting between computers and others hardware. Number two, online journal or blogs. Blogs are social media allows users to upload daily activities, mutual comment and share, both links, other web information, and so on. And the last, sharing media or media sharing. Media sharing sites are types facilitating social media. It is users to share media, start from documents or file, video, audio, image. Example of this media are YouTube, Photobucket, or Snapfish. Social media can connect between information and readers. Talk social media, various information flow the public space. The flow of information is so swift without limits. Social media can be positive in used properly to educate and optimize the practical benefits of social media. The positive impact of using social media is also marked by the development of marketplaces that bring together sellers and buyers, e-commerce, UMKM that utilize online shop, motorcycle taxi, home car rentals, and the development of economic sharing resource so that startup business and increasingly massive, which open up new business opportunities. Created by market and using the promotional tools that are effective and efficient thanks to the positive use of social media. On the other hand, social media also a negative impact in the public space is filled with information circulating through social media with hoaxes, false information fake news, false information or false news, which has tremendous destructive power because it spreads very quickly without limits and capable of evoking very strong emotion. The positive impact of social media is make it easy for us interact with many people. With social media, we can easily interact with anyone, including artists or favorite to using social media famous like Facebook and Twitter. Expanding association, social media make use can have multiple connection and an extensive network. Of course, this has a positive impact on people who want to make friends or spouse from place distant or foreign country. Distance and time are not larger problem in the area of social media like nowadays, long distance relationship no longer a big obstacle because we can still interact with other anytime even if separated by distance, which is a quite far. Either inside, express yourself. Social media delivers new means for humans in express yourself. People ordinary, shy people, or person always nervous express opinions on in public finally able voice themselves out free. Dissemination of information can go fast. With social media, anyone can share new information anytime, so others can too obtain that information spread on social media when just creeper costs when compared with other media, then social media require more cost cheap because we just need pay internet fees, phone can access social media. Negative impact of social media is keep people away, is close and vice versa. People trapped in the media society has major drawback. I risk neglect the people in his life every day. Face-to-face interaction tends to decrease because it is easy to interact via social media. Then someone will be lazy to meet in person with other people. Make people be addicted to the internet with practical and easy of use of media socially. Then people will interestingly dependent on the media social and the end will be become addicted to internet. And our final discussion on the benefit of social media in effective and integrated marketing communication. Social media is really like that media of socialization and interaction as well as interesting other to see and visit a link that contains information about the product and others. So, it is only natural that in exit used as marketing medium, the exits and cheapest or low cost by company. This is what ends up being interesting business actors to make the social media as a mainstay promotion with support but the company's website or blog can display company's profile in the real times complete. In fact, not infrequently the professional tours the effort only has social media, however, still exist in the competition. As a networking site, social media has an important role in marketing. This is because social media can play a role as a medium communication. Communication is an effort to make activities company marketing or promotion can be product and image that is one or consistent for the company. According to Satyadi, at the basic level, communication can inform and make potential consumer aware of the above excitants of the products over. Communication can try to persuade current and potential customer to want to enter into a relationship exchange or exchange relationship. Marketing communication is a business to convey a message to the public, especially target consumer regarding presence of a product in the market. Draft, which is generally used for convey a message, often referred to as promotion mixed advertising, sales, promotion, personal selling, public relation, and public and direct selling. Okay, that's all for social media discussion for me. The point is, we have to use social media wisely and well. I hope everything I said earlier can be useful for all for you. See you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.